Welcome back to Kids Toyland! Today we're going to learn animals and colors! Let's start with our hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippo. Hippo. Let's put him in our magic microwave. See what we have. We have an orange egg. Orange. We have something inside our orange egg. It's a baby hippopotamus. A baby hippo. Now we have a tiger. Tiger. Let's put him in our magic microwave. Let's see what color we have now. Yellow. Can you say yellow? A yellow egg. Wonder what's in this yellow egg. It's a baby tiger. Tiger. Good job, boys and girls. Now we have a bear. Bear. Let's put it in our magic microwave. What color will we get now? A green egg! Green! Can you say green? Great job! Wonder what's inside? Baby bear. Wonderful job, boys and girls. Now we have a penguin. Isn't he cute? Penguin. Put him in our magic microwave. Let's see what color we get next. What color did we get this time? What color is this? Purple! Good job, boys and girls. Purple. And we got a baby penguin. How cute. Penguin. Great job, boys and girls. So we have a hippopotamus, a tiger, a bear, and a penguin. And we learned the color orange, yellow, green, and purple. Thanks for joining me.